So climate change is a reality. Explain with suitable example. The UN Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) defines it has a change of climate that is attributed directly or indirectly to human activities, altering the composition of the global atmosphere. Human activity includes the pollution that arises from industrial activity and other sources that produces greenhouse gases. These gases, such as carbon dioxide, have the ability to absorb the spectrum of infrared light and contribute to the warming of our atmosphere. Once produced, these gases can remain trapped in the atmosphere for tens or hundreds of years. The evidence for rapid climate change is compelling. Global temperature rises. The planet's average surface temperature has risen above about 2 degrees centigrade Fahrenheit, 1.1 degrees Celsius, since the late 19th century, a change driven largely by the for example, since the late 19th century, a change driven largely by increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emission into the atmosphere. Example, not only was 2016 the warmest year on record, but 8 of the 12 months that make up the year from January through September, with the example of June were the warmest on record over these respective months. Warming oceans. The oceans have absorbed much of this increased heat, with the top 700 meters, about 2,300 feet of ocean showing warming of 0.302 degrees Fahrenheit since 1969. Shrinking ice sheets. The Greenland and Antarctica ice sheets have decreased in mass. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment shows Greenland lost 150 to 250 cubic kilometers, 36 to 60 cubic miles of ice per year between 2002 and 2006, while Antarctica lost about 152 cubic kilometers, 36 cubic miles of ice between 2002 and 2005. Other examples of climate change are ocean acidification, declining Arctic sea ice, sea level rise, etc. Next question are